I'm Cole Townsend with Fasst Company. I'm going to show you how to properly use your spoke torque wrench. In your spoke torque wrench case, you're going to find your spoke torque wrench along with any heads you ordered. We manufacture each head to specifically fit your nipple size. So if you change bikes, shoot us a call and we'll get you the correct nipple. Before we begin, it's crucial that you properly index the head in the wrench. Simply push it in and roll it till you feel the head clicks into place. With the head indexed, you can push on the side of the head and make it torque. Your wrench head is 10 millimeters wide, which is the same as your nipples. Push the head onto the nipple and be sure it's engaged fully. It's important not to turn the nipple more than a quarter to a half a turn at a time before moving on to the next nipple, slowly bringing the wheel up to torque. Start with the spoke after the rim lock, call it number 1. Skip 2 spokes and hit number 4. Skip 2, hit number 7. Skip 2, hit number 10. All the way around the wheel, skipping 2. On our first revolution of this 28 spoke wheel, we ended up at the spoke right before the rim lock. Depending on how many spokes your wheel has will dictate where you actually end up in your first revolution. For the second revolution, we're going to start where we ended the first. We're going to skip 2 spokes and start on the third and work our way around the pattern. This is where we ended on the second revolution. We're going to skip 2 spokes and start again. Working our way through the wheel, we finished our third revolution on this one. It may take several cycles of the 3 revolutions to bring all of your spokes up to torque. That's the proper way to maintain your wheels with a Fasst Company spoke torque wrench. Anytime you're touching the spokes on your motorcycle, it should be with a Fasst Company spoke torque wrench. You can use it to assemble, disassemble, maintain, and finish torque your spokes.